If you're looking to build time tracking habits into your daily stand-ups, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a straightforward approach that you can implement right now to make your daily stand-ups more efficient and productive by tracking time in real time. Stay tuned, because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of our recommended software, so you can start tracking today. Time tracking is a game changer, but it can be tricky to integrate into your daily stand-ups without slowing everything down. So, how do you do it without creating friction? It's all about starting small and making it part of the routine. Here's how you can do it. First, before your stand-up begins, make sure everyone knows they'll need to share how much time they've spent on tasks. Don't wait until the end of the stand-up to ask them for this information. This way, it becomes part of the habit, not an afterthought. The key here is consistency. Start with a simple time tracking tool and have your team log their time each morning, even before they join the stand-up. This creates a rhythm and makes it easier to incorporate time tracking as a natural part of the process. The tool we'll be using in this video helps you track time automatically, so it feels seamless rather than disruptive. Now, during the stand-up, instead of asking for vague status updates, you'll ask, "How long did you spend on this task?" This small shift helps everyone keep track of time and adds accountability to the process. It doesn't need to be lengthy, just a quick mention of the time spent, and you're ready to move on to the next update. After your stand-up, encourage your team to reflect on how their time was spent throughout the day. This reflection will give them valuable insights into their productivity and help them adjust for future tasks. The more you do this, the more automatic time tracking will become. The software we'll be using for time tracking integrates easily into your workflow, so you don't need to worry about manual entry. It works in the background, which makes it super easy to follow along and get accurate data without extra effort. You'll find a link to access the free trial in the description below, exclusively for viewers of my channel. Now, let's recap. To build time tracking habits into your daily stand-ups. 1. Set the expectation early that team members will share how much time they've spent on tasks. 2. Use a time tracking tool that automatically tracks time. 3. Ask for time spent on each task during the stand-up. 4. Encourage reflection after the stand-up to adjust future planning. The key takeaway from today's video: time tracking doesn't have to be a tedious task. By building it into your daily stand-ups and using the right tools, you'll improve accountability and get better insights into how your team spends their time. Don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.